how to make money online. So if you want to make money online with using Binance, so this is all you're going to talk about now. But please, I'm begging you, please, you have to subscribe to my channel and share and also comment, because I just need you to do this for me. Okay, now let's get started. Good morning. I wanted to tell you how you can, and also show you how you can make money on Binance using Binance N. You need to go to your Binance app, which is this. This is your Binance app. It will load. This is how you can make money on Binance. Network. This is how you can make money on Binance. Okay, let's get started. All you have to do is go to this N here, N. Even if you don't see it, what you do is you click on more. You click on more. This is it here. More. It will load. It's just due to network failure. That is why it's loading slowly. Then you look for N. Mine is already showing at the first place, but what you have to do is you have to check. Look at it. It says simple N. You have to click on simple N. This is it. It will load. Now we have Solana, we have Near, we have Ada. Just anyone you feel you can. You have coin, then you want to invest, instead of you keeping it in your wallet and it will just stay like that without yielding more any profit for you. So you just have to choose within any of this one. So for me, I know I have USDT and it's my funding wallet. But before then, you make sure that your USDT is in your spot wallet before you can do this Binance N. Then you have to scroll down. Any of this one you see, this is 17% for 21 days. This is for 30 days, is 10%. For 60 days, is 11%. You just need then flexible. When you're talking about flexible savings, you're talking about in flexible savings, you can withdraw your earnings at any time. But in these 21 days, these are lock savings. This you can only withdraw your earnings within 21 days. It's after 21 days you can withdraw your earning. So once it is 21 days, you withdraw your earning. But flexible, you can withdraw it at any time of the day. But flexible, but lock, you have to withdraw it at the specific period of time that is stated here for you. Then this is it. We have many of them that you can invest in. We also have USDT and also have BUSD. This is BUSD, 6%. It's flexible. We also have USD. We also have Bitcoin, 1.5% every day. 1.5% of a Bitcoin. And this is calculated yearly. We call it yearly. Calculated it yearly. In the terms of USDT, this is it. If you click on subscribe, this is how it looks like. It's flexible. That means you can withdraw it at any time. Then if you want to, and if you want to save maybe 100 USDT, You save it, and this is what you get every day: 0.0150684 per day, and is 5.5% APR. So this is the 5.5% is the yearly interest, but they will have to divide it into you have to divide it so that you know your daily interest each day. Like if they have to divide it 5%, every day you will be getting 0.01%. So this is how it is. Then you click on I have read and agree to the Binance input, and when you click it, that is if you have this the amount of money to subscribe, you put it here. Then you click on this one. If you want, this is for auto subscription, you can do auto subscription. And if you still want back your money immediately, you can still get it back immediately, because after you've confirmed it, if you want to redeem, you can still go back to wallets. This is where it is. You click on N. It's at the top here. Click on N. Then the amount of USDT you invest will be shown down here. Then you can click on redeem, and click on it will have redeem. You can redeem it at any point in time. So it's just very simple. You can do it. So maybe my next tutorial, I'm going to do a live display of what it will be. Thank you.